Hey everybody, welcome to a 110-degree day here in Phoenix. This episode, I am going to share with you how much money I've made from stock photography in the month of May 2020. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Not only am I going to be sharing with you how much money I've made from stock photography this past month, but on Thursday, I've got a special episode. You see, I've been kind of struggling with how to tell the story of my last trip to Venice, Italy. I actually made it about a year before I started this vlog, and I think I finally found a way to convey that story to all of you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm also going to try something different. This is going to be my first premiere on YouTube. Now what does that mean? It means that I'm going to be online with you and there's going to be a chat window so we can talk during the episode. And if there's enough interest, maybe afterwards I'll even do my first live YouTube session with all of you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and tune in. And by the way, Thursday's episode is going to be a little different time. It'll be 3 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. Now for the reason why you're here. Let's start taking a look at some of that money. So first of all, I'm going to show you the images that sold for the first time ever in the month of May. I do my best to try and keep track of these things. So these first time images gave me $10.13. Let's take a look at them.
You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds. You're placing your bet, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft.
Well, not all stock agencies are created equal, apparently. For example, ShutterStock. For those of you who don't know, ShutterStock recently slapped over 1 million of their contributors in the face with a horrific commission schedule. This month is the last month I'm going to be able to report my ShutterStock earnings under what is now called the old commission schedule. At the end of this episode, I'm going to have a link so you guys can see the video so you get all the nasty details about what they did to their contributors. However, on July 2nd, I am going to have a special episode where I take a look at my first month earnings under the new schedule. It's not good. And when I am going to be disabling my account with ShutterStock. So again, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that episode. So let's take a look at some of my less profitable agencies. I'll be honest, these were the only agencies that I was uploading to. I would have left stock photography a long time ago. The profits on these are not good, and they never have been. But to be honest with you, cumulatively every year, they do give me a little bit of pocket change. The reason why I'm able to upload them is my workflow. My workflow that gets my images up on the major profitable sites make uploading to these smaller ones extremely simple and almost effortless. That's why I still do this. Let's take a look at some of those agencies. Coming in at the bottom is Can Stock Photo, 2 sales, 90 cents. Big Stock Photo, 8 sales, $2. Depositphotos, 8 sales, $2.04. 123 RF, 7 sales, $3.15. So right now my total is $8.09. So you can see for a month, it's not worth it. It's not. But let's go back into last year. Take a look at those 4 sites. I got a total over the entire year of $118. So again, they do add up. If these were the only sites I was using, I would not continue doing this. But they do add a little bit of pocket change each year. Alright, let's talk about some of the agencies I have a tendency of making a little bit more money on. Getty Images really underperformed this month. I'm going to be honest with you. My top selling image came from one of my episodes when I did a photo shoot at the US Capitol, and I got $1.39 for that particular image. As for all the other images on Getty, I sold 22 assets and got $9.03. Alright, moving on up in profits, Dreamstime comes in next. So for Dreamstime, my biggest selling image was actually a vector image. It's about 10 years old now. I call this one my Mamma Mia Dancers. This one got me $4.73 in commission. Now on Dreamstime for the month, I sold 8 images and received $11.34 in commission. The next agency up is ShutterStock. Now again, I'm expecting on July 2nd to have an episode where I'm actually going to report my first time earnings on ShutterStock under the new commission schedule, and probably compare it to what I would have made in the old, and then I'll tell you guys when I'm disabling my account. My best selling image on ShutterStock this past month was actually an image of some of my dad's childhood toys. He has an old Viewmaster. Actually, I have that Viewmaster now, and some of those reels. So this was an image I took in my light tent and got a $3.75 commission for it. For the month of May 2020, on ShutterStock, I sold 31 images and got $22.25 in commissions. Now, for the agency that just blew everybody away, Adobe Stock completely outperformed everybody. It outperformed its normal self here. So my top selling image on Adobe Stock this month is actually a composite image. So this is the side of a garage at a Airbnb I rented up in Flagstaff, Arizona. The wood panels, the wood beams you see, and then I superimposed an American flag on top of it. For this image, I got $26.40 in commissions. Now, let's talk about how much money I made on Adobe Stock. So Adobe sold 100 images. I got $103.84 in commissions. Rock on, Adobe. Alright, so my grand total for this month is $154.55. Now, this is not my best May ever. That was actually last year. I don't know what's going on in the stock photography world because, like every other part of the economy, things are a little weird right now. I can tell you, for example, June, the agencies that are highest or lowest are kind of doing some weird things right now. It is still going to be an awesome June earnings report. I can tell you that much, so make sure you don't miss that. Anyhow, here are my May earnings for the past 4 years. You can see last year, yeah, definitely was better, but I'm not going to complain. I can tell you this much, I'm already more than $200 ahead than I was at this time last year, so I'm good with that. Remember, my next monthly income report is going to be on or after July 20th, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get reminders about Thursday's episode, which is a photographic journey through Venice, Italy. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one, and I'm also going to be making a special announcement at the end of that episode, so make sure you tune in for that. Remember, everybody, never stop exploring, and I will see you all on Thursday.